Hmm. Highly pathogenic bird flu has broken out in two Chinese provinces near Hawaii since the beginning of the month as Beijing struggles to contain the novel coronavirus currently ravaging the country. Nearly 2,000 fowl were killed by the H5N6 strain of avian influenza on the poultry farm of Sichuan province, Chinese Agricultural Authority announced yesterday. Just 8 days earlier, 4,500 chickens were reported to have died of H5N1 virus in the province of Hunan. 4 outbreaks of H5N6 bird flu were reported in western China's Xinjiang, Xinjiang, and I don't fucking know, in January alone. The latest outbreak of Sichuan took place at a county called Xinjiang in Nanchang City, where it's about 12 hours from Wuhan by car. China's Ministry of Agriculture and Rural Affairs reported that 1,840 of the 2,497 domesticated birds on the farm were killed by the infectious viral illness. Local authorities culled 2,261 birds as a result, and safely disposed their carcasses. So, China reports outbreak of deadly bird flu near epicenter of coronavirus. So, yeah, people, do your homework. Do your homework. Forget H5N1 is that? H5N1. It's on the loose.